I'm Miss Kim, an Atenista and a corporate professional working remotely while living independently in the Philippines. Unlike some, I don't make a living by tarnishing others' reputations with lies and deceit. I earn my keep by leveraging my skills and solid educational background while working from home. I've been working remotely for over 4 years, though I've been in the corporate world for more than 7. My experience include working for global companies like IQEQ and JLL. As usual, I kicked off my week by exploring the arcade for food. So, I grabbed a pizza and treated myself to a strawberry Yakult drink from one of the stalls.
What a dream. Yeah. And then your lovely home here. Can you talk to me about how it was that you...
Following day, I headed to the mall to pick up my EPE results from the TMC clinic. Afterward, I enjoyed a delicious meal at a nearby restaurant. Once I was done, I went grocery shopping to stock up on food for the month. In case you're wondering how I managed to afford my lifestyle and groceries, it's called having a real job and being financially independent. My sister dropped by for a visit and brought me some food from Yellow Cab before heading home. So yeah, aside from earning my own money, having family support can also come in handy with finances from time to time. Days that followed, I received a few parcels, including one I really needed, a humidifier. Since I live in a studio, there's no separation between the kitchen and the bed, so the humidifier helps maintain the air quality. Next day, I got the microphone and the speaker I ordered from Shopee. I bought them to have some fun and sing during my work breaks at the condo. After testing them out, everything worked perfectly, and I ended up singing one of my favorite songs.
Like a summer evening under the sun. Hold on it, baby. Just like me. We could feel the best one by one. Make yourself candy with you. Don't like the plastic, the places with you. I need you, never tired of watching you.